As you may all know by this time that cars are my favorite toys, so I'm going to be doing something really exciting. I'm going to unbox a lot of cars tomorrow. There are more than 50 new cars that we have purchased. I have arranged them for display to show you all. Come on, let's go check those cars out. I am going to open all these cool cars tomorrow. Keep watching my channel for the next video, where I will get to take these cars out of their boxes. Please join me in a couple of days when I will be posting a video of opening all these new cars. I am so thrilled to be doing this. I just can't wait to get my hands on these cars.